where innovation meets craftsmanship. Join us as we delve into curated collections of tools designed to revolutionize the way you work and create. Metabo HBT Rebar Bending Machine. It has an 8-amp motor with 530 watts of power. It will easily handle number 5 grade 60 rebars. It has a variable speed trigger with a safety lock. You can work just as accurately as you would by hand, but without the extra effort. Need a precise angle? Set it on the dial and the machine will bend a rebar in 5.1 seconds. And if you need to cut, it takes only 3.1 seconds. The machine can bend a rebar up to 180 degrees. The bending plate has clear markings that help to position the rebar accurately. Metabo HBT is the new name of the famous Hitachi brand. You get time-tested quality under a new name. Assistant for working with the Recon M1 caliber miter saw. No more measuring by hand, no more pencil marks. Work up to 3 times faster than with conventional measuring methods. Compatible with virtually any miter, cutoff, vertical bandsaw. Cut at an angle, cut at an incline, make complex and straight cuts. The M1 caliber can handle it all. Large backlit LCD screen. Shows measurements in both metric and imperial. Simply attach to the saw fence, release the lever, enter the blade thickness, and you're good to go. Measure boards, composite materials, or pipes. The M1 caliber can handle it all. More than just a gadget, this tool is a breakthrough in the world of measuring and cutting. It saves you time, nerves, and accuracy, making even the most complex projects easier and faster. The Milwaukee M18 Force Logic Copper Pipe Press Tool is a real breakthrough in the world of plumbing and installation. The lightest tool in its class, 20% lighter than the competition, has 7,200 pounds of pressing force. The tool is so smart that it checks itself to see if it has enough charge for a full press cycle. Compatible with over 20 different fitting systems, brushless motor guarantees 20% longer runtimes and 10% faster press cycles. Has 50,000 cycles before calibration. The one-key system allows you to monitor, control, and even lock the tool remotely. Milwaukee is not just a helper, it's a real partner for the professional. It saves you time, energy, and nerves. It makes even the most complex projects easier and faster. Kreg KFS puck blocks are good helpers for any project. 4 hexagonal blocks that can be used for just about anything. Each can hold up to 200 pounds. These blocks are true transformers. They will be indispensable when you need to paint, sand, and clamp something. GripMax technology ensures that the blocks won't slip on the surface. The 1.5-inch height is perfect for working with regular 2x4 boards. If you love to do things with your hands or just want a versatile tool on hand, these Kreg blocks are definitely for you. A set of magnetic welding holders from Spertar. The set contains 6 magnets of different strengths, 25, 50, 75 pounds. You will be able to find the right strength for any task. Hold metal firmly at the right angle. Thanks to their design, you can hold parts at 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degree angles. Magnets are not just for welding, they can be used for assembly, marking, even separating steel plates. The magnets are made of strong steel and coated with shiny enamel. Despite their strength, these magnets are quite compact and easy to store and take with you to the site. A tool that can completely change your approach to angled drilling. Woodpecker's Auto Angle Drill Guide. You can mark the drill point with auto angle base even when drilling at an angle. The auto angle features a convenient start and stop system. Now drilling a series of holes at the same distance from the edge is a breeze. 2 large, comfortable handles not only secure the angle gauge, but also provide a firm grip, and there is a special multi-position handle for working in tight spaces. Included are buttons for centering on the material and V-blocks for working with round workpieces. Angle range, from vertical to 40 degrees. The standard version includes a stop, a pair of 16.5 cm guide rods, and a short multi-position handle. Deluxe version adds 6 28 cm rods and 2 hinged stops. Goldblatt hand sander for working with drywall. It has an ergonomic design and a soft rubber handle. There is a very useful function, connection to vacuum cleaner. The kit comes with a sanding paper with a grit of 120 grit. It is coarse enough to cope with irregularities, but at the same time, all the dust immediately goes through the mesh into the hose. The Goldblot has a 360-degree rotating elbow. You'll easily sand even vertical surfaces. The 6.5-foot hose allows you to move freely throughout the room without constantly dragging the vacuum cleaner. It comes with an adapter that fits most vacuum cleaners with a 1.25-inch hose diameter, suitable not only for drywall work, but also for other sanding tasks in the workshop or renovation. The Real Avid Carbon Boss multi-tool is not just a tool, it's a real partner for any shooter. Imagine holding 16 tools in one compact package. 12 precision scraper surfaces specifically designed to remove fouling from all 4 major parts of the bolt, and what's cool is that they don't leave scratches. Interchangeable nylon and phosphor bronze brush for detailed cleaning, and 360-degree phosphor bronze brush. Built-in cotter pin extraction tool and puncher. All tools are accessible with one hand. There's a protective ballistic nylon case with carrying strap. Take it to the range, in the field, or keep it on your workbench. It will always be handy and in one piece. Carbon Boss is suitable for a variety of firearms, especially AR platforms. It will handle fouling on the bolt, bolt carrier, gas key, and other hard-to-reach areas. The Rigid Octane 18-volt cordless router is compact but powerful. Firstly, it is cordless, with enough power for both home projects and professional work. The router is equipped with a brushless motor. It lasts longer and runs more efficiently, and it also has smart electronics that optimize its performance. There's a special quick-release lever and a micro-adjustment dial. This allows you to easily and accurately adjust the milling depth. There's a special dust extractor that connects to a vacuum cleaner. The work surface will stay clean. The soft start technology prevents nicks on the surface when starting work and prolongs the life of the motor. Includes round and square bases, removable dust extractor, edge guide, 1/4-inch cutter, and collet wrench. DeWalt D-Washer metal cutting attachment. It can cut materials up to 18 gauge, not only sheet metal, but also corrugated metal, ductwork, roofing shingles, steel mesh, vinyl siding, and it can even handle wire, plastic, cardboard, and rubber. One of the most useful features is that its head rotates 360 degrees. You'll be able to cut in any direction, even in the most awkward places. The attachment is compatible with almost all 18 to 20 volt drills and impact screwdrivers, regardless of brand. It has a standard 1/4-inch hex shank that fits most tools. Think of how many tools this attachment can replace: metal shears, a vinyl cutting knife, a roofing cutting tool. Kreg Key Hinge Furniture Hinge Reducer. The tool is the size of a miniature drill press, only portable. It provides the same precision as if you were working on stationary equipment. It has special cams and measuring scales. They help you accurately place the hinges on the door. It comes with a carbide-tipped drill bit and a depth stop. You will always drill the right depth holes for the hinge cups. The conductor has holes for drilling for the hinge screws. For professional joiners, this tool can be a real lifesaver when working with large orders. The speed and quality of work will increase significantly. The Milwaukee Propex Expansion Toolkit is a godsend for plumbers and anyone working with plumbing and heating systems. Thanks to the built-in auto-rotate mechanism, you can work with one hand. It has a compact size with a right angle. You can reach the hardest to reach places. Works with pipe diameters from 3/8 to 1 inch and has a stroke length of 14 millimeters. Covers most standard pipe sizes used in home systems. A nice feature of the tool is the quick cam mechanism. It provides fast and continuous expansion. All the gears are metal and the body itself is also metal. There's a special spatula trigger. It makes it easy to operate the tool even in tight spaces. The Milwaukee Propex Expansion is specifically designed to work with Uponor Propex. Albion Engineering Company Nozzle. Designed specifically for applying sealants and moisture and air barrier coatings. It does it much faster than if you were working with a trowel. A very important feature of this nozzle is its versatility. It produces a strip of sealant that is 1/8 inch thick and 2 inches wide. You can easily change the width of this strip up to 4 inches by simply trimming the nozzle with a regular construction knife, and do this in 1/2 inch increments. Suitable for different types of sealant guns and for working with cartridge tubes and even bulk packs. Made of high quality plastic, sturdy yet lightweight. The Klein Tools tester consists of two parts, a transmitter and a receiver. It works like this. You plug the transmitter into an outlet or light fixture and scan the electrical panel with the receiver. The right dispenser is found quickly and accurately. When you find the correct dispenser, the receiver does not just light up, it gives a visual and audible signal. The device works with 90 to 120 volt AC networks. The transmitter has a built-in RCD tester. You can not only find the right machine, but also check the condition of the wiring and the operation of RCDs. The transmitter is conveniently inserted into the receiver, forming a compact kit. Everything is always at hand and nothing gets lost. Another nice thing is the universal compatibility. The transmitter has a triple plug that fits most grounded outlets. An amazing tool. Templatometer with lock. It is not just an ordinary ruler, but a real helper for any craftsman. You simply press the tool against the object whose shape you want to copy. The plastic pins repeat the contour and you have an exact copy of the shape. The kit comes with a small screwdriver that you can use to adjust how easy or tight the pins move. The metal retainer is not only stronger than the plastic one, but it is also ergonomically shaped. The tool is made of durable ABS plastic. It won't scratch the surface you're working with, won't rust, and isn't afraid of water. The tool has a scale in both inches and centimeters on both sides. Forget about paper templates and complicated measurements. Apply, fix, trace, and you're done. Little Giant Transformer Ladder. It adapts to any task. It can be transformed into a step ladder, extension ladder if necessary. It can be set at an angle of 90 degrees. It has adjustable supports that support stability on uneven surfaces and prevent lateral tipping. It is made of high-strength fiberglass in a bright green color. It is lightweight yet can support up to 300 pounds. There is a special carrying handle and wheels for easy moving. When unfolded, it is narrow enough to fit through an attic hatch or into spaces between rafters. There is a special V-shaped rung and innovative legs that allow it to be mounted on posts and in interior and exterior corners. The ladder has special ports for attaching various accessories from Little Giant. Wireless Works Nitro 20 volt. This sprayer is part of the Nitro line, which is known for its increased power and performance. Forget tangled wires and searching for the nearest outlet. It's compact and lets you paint anywhere, anytime. You can regulate the flow of paint, ensuring even coverage and minimizing overspray. The battery fits over 75 Works 20 volt, 40 volt, and 80 volt tools. Wide or narrow, choose the spray pattern that works best for your project. 4 nozzle sizes are included. Now you can work with a variety of materials from impregnations to latex paints. The container holds up to 1,000 milliliters. You'll be able to paint a large area without stopping to refill. The brushless motor guarantees longer life, less noise, and more power. Viega PureFlow ManaBlock helps you control the water supply to every point in your home separately, saving water and energy, all from a single device. If a repair is needed, you can shut off the water to just the right point without shutting down the entire house. ManaBlock has 14 ports, 8 for cold water and 6 for hot water. By controlling each point individually, you can significantly reduce water consumption and consequently the energy used to heat it. Made of lead-free polymer alloy, it is not only environmentally friendly but also safe for your health. Works with half-inch diameter PEX pipes, which are widely used in modern water supply systems. The system is designed to make installations as easy as possible. The Hunt & Gear Tree Climbing Steps Holster Kit is the last word in tree climbing equipment. They are designed with all the needs of hunters and naturalists in mind. Forget about complicated Z-steps or other awkward designs. Made of solid aluminum, they are lightweight yet very durable. The set includes 7 aluminum steps, a special wrench, and a handy carrying holster. The entire set weighs less than 5 pounds. If you need to climb higher, you can always buy additional steps, which are sold in sets of 3. Thanks to the special holster, you can easily carry and store them. Rust-Oleum Marking Machine helps you quickly and easily draw perfectly even lines in a parking lot, road, or sports field. Features heavy-duty wheels that roll easily over a variety of surfaces. Can draw lines from 2 to 4 inches wide. There is a special compartment that holds up to 12 additional paint cans. Ideal for marking parking lots, roads, walkways, and more. The machine is designed to be used with inverted Rust-Oleum paint cans, ensuring excellent line quality. The yellow body color is not only beautiful, but also practical. You won't lose sight of it on the site. Such an assistant for workers in the field of road markings and landscaping can be a real salvation. It allows you to quickly and efficiently perform large volumes of work. Reed Tools Guillotine Pipe Cutter is suitable for pipes from 3 to 8 inches. With its sturdy frame and unique blade design, you get the smoothest cut possible. Deviation is as little as 1/8 inch on medium to high density pipe. After this cut, you don't need additional machining for electric welding, and minimal machining will be required for butt welding. You can work in almost any environment. It only requires 4 to 6 inches of clearance around the pipes. Cuts cleanly, with no excess debris or chips. The tool is designed specifically for polyethylene pipe. The non-stick coated blade is durable and easy to sharpen or replace, and the small taper on the blade provides an easy start and smooth cut. The Pro Series Door Installation Hardware Toolkit allows you to secure the door vertically, freeing your hands to work. What makes this tool special is that it fits many types of doors, regular swing doors, sliding doors, and even barn doors. Whether your doors are 1 to 3/8 inches thick or 1 to 3/4 inches thick, this helper can handle it, and it can hold doors weighing up to 300 pounds. You can adjust the height and level the door in 3 directions, which really simplifies the installation process and saves tons of time. By using this kit, you reduce the risk of damaging your walls or the door itself, and you yourself are less likely to get hurt trying to hold a heavy door. Ryobi Cordless Sweeper from the OnePlus system. 2 huge 53cm wide brushes spin towards each other, sweeping everything in their path straight into the large 17-liter container. It handles everything from fine dust to large construction debris. Whether you're working in the workshop, garage, patio, or just cleaning the house, it comes in handy everywhere. Nails, screws, wood scraps, plastic, leaves, no task is too big for it. It has a telescopic handle. Adjust to your height and work comfortably. It turns on and off with a simple press of your foot. No unnecessary movements. The waste container is transparent and easy to remove. You can always see when it's time to empty it. It can be placed vertically with the handle folded down and takes up very little space. One more important thing, it's part of the Ryobi OnePlus system. One battery fits over 100 tools. The Scotch Blue Painter's Tape Applicator will change the way you think about paint prep. With it, you can forget about the agony of applying painter's tape by hand. The applicator does all the work for you. In just one smooth motion, you apply an even strip of tape. The applicator has a sharp blade that ensures a perfectly even cut. No jagged edges or crooked lines. The applicator has a round handle, which is very comfortable to hold, and there is also a special felt pad that glides gently on the surface. It comes with a starter roll that is 1.41 inches wide and 20 yards long. This tape is UV, sunlight, and moisture resistant. It can be used both indoors and outdoors. The tape is made from 45% renewable resources and the core is made from 70% recycled waste. When the tape runs out, you simply insert a new roll into the applicator. Ox Tools Professional Kit with a batting cord and blue chalk. It has an awesome feature. It coils up 6 times faster than most other batting cords on the market. It has a reinforced handle that will withstand any drops and rough handling, and the cord is 100 feet long, made of 8-strand thick cord. It won't break even if you push hard on it. The body is rubber coated. Not only is it comfortable to hold, but it protects the tools from damage, and there's also a stopper button that keeps the cord taut. It comes with a 4-ounce bottle of blue chalk. It's specially designed for good grip and high visibility, whether you are working indoors or outdoors. The line will be clear and bright. The bottle has a special spout that directs the powder directly into the batting cord. No dust, no dirt, everything is neat and tidy. A true marvel of engineering is the Griffin Adventure tool made of titanium, a keychain-sized tool that can replace an entire drawer. You can clip this tool to your belt, backpack, keys, anywhere. There's a whole 12 tools in one. A Phillips No. 2 screwdriver on the top corner and a flathead screwdriver on the base, a bottle opener, a 1/4-inch bit holder, and 3 different hex wrenches, 8, 9, and 10 millimeters, and a nailer. The 5/16-inch wrench has a special ring notch inside. You can use the wrench even with your keys hooked to it. For accuracy lovers, there is a ruler with graduations to 1/16 inch on the sides of the tool. The tool can be taken on a plane, no safety issues at all, a true travel companion. The tool is lightweight, durable, and corrosion-free. Recon T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure. It's self-calibrating and has an accuracy of less than 1/32 of an inch. If the tape suddenly becomes worn or damaged, no worries, it can be easily replaced. The built-in electronic paper display can store 500 measurements, you can view them, sort, delete, in general, full control over your data. It has a green laser pointer. This is projected from the front surface of the tape measure, helping you to accurately align and mark the desired point. The T1 has a quick menu where you can measure inside dimensions, make relative measurements, find the center. You can switch between inches, feet, millimeters, and centimeters as you like. This tape measure can connect to the ROK JobSite app to wirelessly share cut lists, annotations, notes, and calculations with anyone on the job site. The Bosch wall and floor scanner is equipped with radar technology. The device does not just find objects in the walls, but determines exactly what kind of material it is. Wires, fittings, metal and plastic pipes, wooden posts, everything is just like in the palm of your hand. The scanning depth is 8 inches. This scanner has 4 different object display modes. You can choose the one that best suits your situation. The intuitive interface makes working with it a real pleasure. Here's what's really useful: the leak detection feature. Now you can quickly find exactly where the pipe is leaking without having to dismantle the entire wall. And it can also take screenshots. You can save the results of the scan and transfer them to your computer via USB-C or SD card for further analysis. Compatible with Bosch 12-volt batteries, it comes with a 2.0 amp-hour battery, charger, USB cable, and a soft case for storage and transportation. This laser level can replace a whole set of tools. It projects horizontal and vertical lines with an accuracy of plus or minus 2 mm per meter. There's a dust collector for the drill. You can drill the walls without fear that the entire apartment will be in the dust. The laser level bracket has an electronic vacuum suction cup. No need to drill the walls or use glue. One press of a button and it holds securely on any smooth surface. Equipped with a built-in 1800 mAh battery, a full charge is enough for 10 hours of continuous use. It can be charged via Type-C cable. You can use it for hanging pictures, installing furniture, wallpapering, and other kinds of work. The bracket can support up to 5 kilograms, so you can use it for projectors as well. The kit comes with everything you need: a bracket with different types of threads, replaceable sealing tape, the dust collector can be used separately, and the bracket is suitable for other laser levels and cameras. ArborTech Electric Chisel. This tool works like a traditional hammer chisel but without the manual work. The 8-amp motor will handle even the hardest wood. The speed is up to 11,000 strokes per minute while running smoothly with no jerks. You get power and precision in one bottle. It comes with 7 high-quality chisels. This tool has a lockable safety switch. Changing chisels is done in seconds, just by pressing a button. No hassle, no tools, it's quick and easy. The tool runs quieter and with less vibration than its predecessors. You'll be able to work longer without fatigue or discomfort. The kit includes special oil for lubrication and a spare felt. Last but not least, all chisels are neatly packed in a special case. Your tools will always be in order and at hand. The HotMech riveting tool has a unique design with a quadruple swivel joint, which allows you to install the rivet in a single movement. The tool is incredibly durable. The body is made of reinforced aluminum and the working parts are made of high-strength carbon steel. It will withstand intensive work and last a very long time. It comes with 5 interchangeable tips of different sizes, from 2.4 mm to 6.4 mm, and is easy to change thanks to the handy key. The ergonomic handle makes the work comfortable even with prolonged use, and the 3 steel clamps provide a powerful and stable grip on the rivet. It can be used almost anywhere: car repairs, agricultural projects, sheet metal work, construction, especially good for working with gutters, sheet metal, and door repairs. The D1 LVLP sprayer has clear markings on the body, so it is easy to understand the settings. And the kit comes with a detailed instruction manual. The kit includes pressure regulators, separators for separating oil and water, a set of different nozzles. You can take it out of the box and get to work. The paint is sprayed evenly, lays an even layer, and the efficiency is at a high level. The body is made of solid aluminum with Teflon coating, will serve you for a long time, and cleaning, one pleasure. With this paint sprayer, any work will be a pleasure and the result will not make you wait. Everything will look like after the work of a professional. Franklin Sensors Pro Sensor, a hidden structure finder. With as many as 9 sensors, it will find a post or beam very accurately. No complicated settings or calibrations, just press a button and guide it along the wall, and it doesn't matter where you start. Even right from the post, it will still show you correctly. Now, about what I can find. Shows not just, and will indicate both the center and the edges at the same time. Single posts, double, even some non-standard configurations, all in the palm of your hand. Works through drywall, it can detect the presence of live wiring. It runs on regular AAA batteries and is not compatible with rechargeable batteries. It makes any repair a fun adventure, not a headache. Capro Post-Right Folding Magnetic Post Level. Has 3 cylindrical bubbles, 2 horizontal and 1 vertical. You will be able to level the post perfectly on all sides. This level folds and unfolds like a book. When folded, it is compact, easy to put in your pocket or tool bag, and when unfolded, it is flat and easy to work with. For easy attachment to metal surfaces, it is equipped with 4 powerful magnets, and if the surface is not metal, there is an adjustable elastic strap. The level can be fixed every 15 degrees. It will become an indispensable assistant when installing signs, in plumbing work, in the construction of fences, wherever you need to level something vertical. Milescraft Sand Plane can take the pain out of sanding difficult surfaces. It can handle any shape. It has 4 interchangeable profiles for sanding: concave, convex, flat surfaces, and V-grooves. Sand Plane is designed for standard 5-inch diameter sanding discs. Regular discs from any hardware store will do. The sandpaper attaches with Velcro and won't slip off during use. With Sand Plane, even the toughest surface will be as smooth as silk. If you often work with wood, do restoration work, or just like everything in your home to be perfectly smooth, the Milescraft Sand Plane is definitely for you. Eight-inch electric floor scrubber. You can remove up to 200 square feet of flooring per hour. No matter what you need to remove, vinyl, linoleum, carpeting, rubber, this machine can handle it all. This squeegee has a 3/4 horsepower motor that makes 5,000 movements per minute. There are 3 adjustable positions to change the angle of the squeegee. For soft materials, the minimum angle is fine, and for hard materials, the maximum angle is fine. This scraper moves forward on its own, you only need to guide it. This tool can be plugged into a regular household outlet. It only draws 11 amps. It has folding handles, you can easily transport it in a small car or store it without taking up much space. The Quick Drive from Simpson Strong Tie. It will change the way you think about attaching boards. With it, you can attach boards without bending your back. It comes with a 2500 RPM DeWalt motor. It cranks through screws faster than you can blink. This system has advanced depth settings. You can even work with very dense decking materials. Each screw will sit exactly where you need it at the perfect depth. What's really cool is the reversible and replaceable non-slip tines. Even on slippery surfaces, you'll be able to work without any problems. The system ensures that the screws are evenly recessed even when fastening at an angle, which is especially important when working with wood. No splitting, just a neat and secure connection. The kit includes everything you need: nozzle for attaching decking, extension for standing, screw quiver, tool case, and special decking spout. Speed Heater Cobra is an infrared paint removal system. With it, you can forget about caustic chemicals, endless sanding, and dangerous hot dryers. Speed Heater Cobra does all the work quickly, safely, and efficiently. It heats up the surface of paint or varnish just enough so that it can be easily scraped off, literally in a few seconds. You can already remove the softened paint. It works at 230 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which is lower than the temperature at which leads begin to evaporate. You can safely work with old paint without fear of dangerous fumes. Handles all types of paint, varnish, and adhesives. Whether you're working on interior or exterior, windows, furniture, boats, stairs, or doors, the Speed Heater Cobra can handle it all. Lightweight, compact, with a flexible head that allows you to reach the hardest to reach places. All stripped paint remains solid and is easy to collect and dispose of. These are special clamps that help to align and connect cabinets together. There are 2 of them in the set, just enough to fix a couple of cabinets at the same time. They are professional. Even if you're not a pro at installing furniture, you'll do just fine with these clamps. They're suitable for most types of cabinets. Made of sturdy steel that won't rust, there's an aluminum alignment plate that helps align cabinet faces perfectly. There's a built-in drill guide. The guide itself will indicate where to drill. They are very easy to use. Even if you've never installed cabinets before, you'll be able to do it quickly and easily with these clamps. Suitable for racks from 3.8 to 5 centimeters thick, the maximum distance between the clamps is about 13.5 centimeters. Special felt pads are included to prevent scratching of materials during installation. Now we are talking about a wood splitter that will help you split firewood for campfires and fireplaces. The main advantage of this wood splitter is its safety. You can be sure that your hands are protected, as there is no risk of accidental cut or injury from the moving blades. Another advantage is the ease of use. A wood chopper chops wood much easier and requires less effort than a regular axe. Just place a piece of wood on the wood splitter and strike from the top, and there you have chunks of firewood for the fire. This firewood splitter has a 6.5-inch diameter top ring, making it suitable for most sizes of firewood. And its high-quality cast iron construction ensures durability and reliability. This firewood chopper is virtually maintenance-free. The Armor Tool inline clamp has several unique advantages that will make your job much easier and more efficient. It features automatic adjustment, allowing it to easily and securely clamp into any standard 5/16-inch T-rail. With a hardened steel adjustment rod, this clamp provides consistent pressure, even on materials up to 3.75 inches thick. You can easily adjust the pressure with the built-in adjustment screw, ensuring your product is held as comfortably and securely as possible. With the T-bolt rotating around its axis, you can quickly install the clamp anywhere there is a standard T-guide. The large handle provides maximum grip and comfort, while the hardened plastic tip with non-marking material lining securely clamps corners and rounded materials. With sturdy construction and a high load capacity of up to 700 pounds, this clamp will be a reliable helper in your workshop. Imagine that you are alone sawing, for example, a long bar. Its end is constantly trying to fall to the floor, interfering with your work. No such problems with the Trend support. It is equipped with sturdy ball rollers that easily and smoothly pull the workpiece onto the work table, even for a single craftsman. At the same time, your hands remain free to operate the tool safely. The support is built tough to support up to 140 pounds, and its height can be infinitely adjusted from 2 to 6.3 inches, covering most applications. And now we're talking about a useful thing for painters and those who are engaged in painting, a small paint bucket. It is a compact, rectangular container with a volume of about 1 liter. It is easy to hold in one hand without getting tired, and the tub integrated around the perimeter allows you to dip a paint roller into it while continuously moving on the wall. Excess paint automatically drips back out, and nothing is spilled. There's a powerful magnet inside the container that allows you to secure the brush in a comfortable position for your body. The body is sturdy, a one-piece polypropylene, not afraid of solvents, chemicals, or accidental bumps. It is effortless to clean after finishing work. This pipe cutter is a real helper for fast, precise, and perfect cutting of plastic pipes with diameters from 160 to 355 millimeters. It is suitable for a wide range of pipes, from PE to PP and PVC, with a minimum wall thickness of only 8 millimeters. With this saw, you'll be able to tackle tasks faster than you can imagine, and thanks to the center clamping device, you'll always have optimal placement on the pipe, ensuring your work is accurate and efficient. The wide rubberized guides and clamping rollers guarantee right-angle cutting without shifting the cut, while the depth of cut limiter and the blade guard make working with this saw not only comfortable but also safe. The tool is designed to remove welds quickly and cleanly in a single pass. The milling process produces fine metal chips rather than hazardous metal dust. One of the key features of the PFM17 is the patented one-touch controller, which allows the milling depth to be adjusted in 0.1 millimeter increments without the use of additional tools. The replaceable carbide inserts on the milling head can be replaced effortlessly and conveniently. The ergonomically designed handle with a wide arc-shaped grip ensures safe and confident control of the tool. An important feature is the Vario Taco Constamatic system with full-wave electronics and adjustable wheel. The Vario Taco Constamatic system with full-wave electronics and adjustable wheel allows you to select the optimum rotational speed for the material, which remains virtually constant even under load. The Jokari 250 is a compact but incredibly functional tool for anyone who has to strip wires. The tool is capable of working with wires from 0.2mm to 6mm in diameter. It will be suitable for almost any task, be it consumer electronics, car repair, or construction work. The main thing is the incredible ease of use. The special ergonomic design allows you to easily operate the tool with one hand, while holding the wire securely. And the built-in stripping length limiter and clamp lock function make the process as simple and error-free as possible. The Jokari 250 is equipped with high-quality replaceable blades that ensure neat and clean stripping of wires without the risk of damaging them. And the sturdy construction guarantees long life and reliable performance. It is an indispensable assistant for any craftsman. The woodworking saddle is a tool that will become an indispensable assistant for any carpenter or joiner. Its main purpose is to provide accurate markings and measurements on workpieces. Thanks to the deep half-inch base edge, you'll be able to transfer lines and markings not only on the front, but also on the sides of the material. This makes your work much easier, especially when creating studs and grooves. But that's not all. The two outer edges of the T-square blade have laser markings at 132-inch intervals, and the plate itself has carefully drilled holes at the same spacing. This allows the tool to be used for precise parallel markings. Simply insert the pencil into the hole and guide it along the workpiece. The blade has 45-degree beveled edges that allow you to work comfortably even in poor lighting conditions. The sturdy anodized aluminum body makes the tool pleasant to handle and reliable to use. A tool that can turn the installation of electrical boxes into a quick and easy job. Compact and efficient, it eliminates the need for complicated measurements and precise markings when installing electrical boxes in plasterboard walls. All you need to do is place the special magnetic marks in the right places and then simply point the tool at them. The powerful magnets will help you quickly and accurately make a cut in the wall. The Blind Mark Drywall Electrical Box Locator tool is a solution that will save you time and avoid costly installation mistakes. No more agonizing over inaccurate measurements and ruining expensive drywall. Simply set the marks and follow the tool's instructions and you'll get perfect results. This compact but incredibly functional assistant is a real boon for any carpenter or craftsman. The main feature of the center finder is that it allows you to quickly and accurately draw marking lines in the center of the workpiece. Simply insert a pencil into the special hole and draw a line. No complicated measurements or calculations. Everything is done automatically. The tool is equipped with special grooves that allow you to make markings with different offsets, from 1/16 to 5/8 inch in 1/16 inch increments. This is very convenient when you need to draw lines not centered, but offset relative to the edge. The center finder is equipped with a powerful magnet that allows you to store it on any metal surface. The tool has a special compartment for storing a spare pencil so you never lose it. The adapter allows you to turn any standard folding tape measurer into a multifunctional measuring tool. For example, the adapter allows you to take precise measurements in hard-to-reach places that are difficult to reach without a standard tape measure. This is very convenient when you need to measure, for example, the depth of a shelf or niche. It is also worth noting that the tool is very durable and reliable. It is made of high-quality materials and can withstand serious loads. It won't break or deform in the process of use. This is a cordless electric ratchet wrench from Kemo. The tool is cordless, battery operated, and develops a maximum torque of up to 40 foot-pounds at 400 RPM. The Kemo cordless ratchet weighs only 2.2 pounds along with the battery and has a compact and narrow design. This makes it easy to work with even in the hardest to reach places, such as under the hood of a car. The kit includes high-capacity 12-volt batteries with up to 1,000 charge-discharge cycles. You don't have to worry about running out of battery power while you're working. And the quick 60-minute charger will have you energized in no time. It has comfortable rubber inserts on the body, built-in LED flashlight, and charge indicator. All this makes working with the Kemo ratchet as comfortable as possible. This tool is designed for use both on construction sites and in carpentry workshops. It allows you to significantly increase your productivity and achieve excellent results when installing door hinges. With this kit, you don't have to spend time marking. You simply use the hinge itself as a template, a rapid and easy way to work. The result is precise and accurate hinge recesses every time. The kit includes a long router bit and a guide sleeve that make it easy to cut the hinges into the door frame. A compact and lightweight cordless screwdriver that will become your indispensable assistant for a wide variety of tasks around the house. Thanks to its compact size and built-in handle, you can easily work in hard-to-reach places where conventional tools can't reach. At the same time, the tool has a torque of 35 inch-pounds and the speed reaches 180 RPM. It is important to note that the screwdriver is powered by a rechargeable 4-volt lithium-ion battery. The design of the tool provides the possibility of connecting various attachments and accessories from Black & Decker. This significantly extends its functionality and allows you to customize it to your application. Today, I want to tell you about one professional construction level from Sola. This level is made of durable aluminum profile, which provides maximum rigidity and stability. The tool is not afraid of falls and impacts. A special feature of the Sola X Pro level is the special focus ampules with 60% magnification. They have high contrast and are perfectly visible even in low light conditions, thanks to the luminescent backing. The liquid in the level ampules does not burn out in the sun and does not form bubbles even under strong shocks. It retains the accuracy of readings in a wide temperature range. The level is equipped with shock-absorbing rubber end caps with non-slip surface. This pipe cutter is truly an excellent tool that is recognized as the #1 tool among craftsmen from all over the world. One of the main advantages of this pipe cutter is its superior quality. It is made using high-quality materials that has been rigorously tested for durability and functionality in real-world use. It is great for use in the workshop as well as for use at home or at the service site. It is a versatile tool that meets all the requirements of a professional.